In this video, I will show you how you can mute the camera shutter sound on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to mute the camera shutter sound on your Samsung phone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Modes and Routines. From here, just tap on Add Mode. Now on this page, just create a name for your mode. I'll name it Shutter Sound. Now after you give a name to your custom mode, from here you can select a color for your mode. And also you can change the icon of the mode. Now after you customize the name, color, and the icon of the mode which we have created, then just tap on Done. Now on this page, just tap on Turn On Automatically. From here, just tap on App Opened. And from this app list, just select the camera app. Then tap on Done at the top of the screen. Now from here, just select Done. And at the bottom of this page, just tap on Other Action. From here, just tap on Sound Mode and Volume. Now on this page, just set the system volume of your Samsung phone to 0%. After you do that, then just tap on Done and select Done. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the camera app, the shutter sound will be turned off. As you can see, if I open the quick settings, the shutter sound mode which we have created is turned on. But as we go to the home screen, it will turn off automatically, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.